Hi everyone, welcome back to the Fractal Analytica channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a live trade I took on EURUSD using the 3-minute time frame. This will give you a real example of how the Fractal Analytica Plus indicator can help identify repeating market structure, spot potential reversal, and execute high probability trades. So, let's get right into it. As you can see here on the chart, the market is on a strong downtrend. When the trend is moving this aggressively, we don't want to jump in blindly. So we need to wait for the indicator to detect a valid fractal location that is close enough to the current price action. At this stage, the fractal that was spotted is still a bit far away from the current market price. That means no trade yet. We let the price develop until the indicator highlights a fractal pattern closer to the actual trading zone. Now, here we are. The Fractal Analytica Plus had just spotted a new fractal, and this time it's very close to the actual price. That's when our analysis begins. What I usually do at this stage is take the fractal structure, copy it, and compare it with the new pattern that's forming. The goal here is to look for similarities, because the market tends to repeat its behavior. Let's analyze this step by step. Here we have a triangle structure. It breaks the low, then it forms another similar triangle. In this second structure, once again, the market breaks the high. So what does this mean? It tells us that the market is showing a repeating fractal behavior. And whenever we see this type of similarity, we can start to anticipate a possible reversal point. In this case, the potential reversal is expected around this low. That's our key level. The entry strategy is simple here. Once the price breaks the low, that's our trigger to enter the trade. The stop loss goes just above the last high. The take profit will be at the next logical rejection point, which we will calculate with Fibonacci. This trade setup here gives us a ratio of around 238, not bad at all for a quick trade on the 3-minute chart. Now let's refine it a bit further using Fibonacci. According to Fibonacci, a good target here is around 161 Fibonacci extension. So with this calculation, my stop loss remains just above the recent high, my take profit is extended down to 161 Fibonacci. This setup actually gives me about 264 risk-reward ratio. That's a very strong trade opportunity. Then let's see what's happened next. As the price develops, it drops exactly as expected, and it reaches the Fibonacci target 161.11 and even break it. Here you can see on the picture our live trend developing. That's a clean execution of the strategy. Note that we don't try to catch every move. That means we cannot take this reverse. We only take the first clear fractal setup that matches our rules. Discipline is everything here. Now, let me show you how I executed this live trade on MT5. Here we had our fractal. We measured it with Fibonacci. The ideal entry was here, but I actually entered slightly later because I spotted the setup a bit late. I placed 2 positions. One position with 10 lots, the second one is with 20 lots. My stop loss was very tight, just above the last high. And as we can see here, my take profit was placed slightly before the Fibonacci 161 just to be conservative. And the results, both trades hit take profit. The price even went beyond the Fibonacci target, but I already secured the profit. From this single setup, one trade brought me 2,600 and the other one 1,300. Together, that is over $4,000 profit. All of this on a 200K account, which represents about 2% gain from just one trade. This is the power of combining the Fractal Analytica Plus indicator with the structured analysis and disciplined risk management. So that's the trade idea for today. I hope this breakdown helped you understand how to use fractals, similarity, and Fibonacci levels to catch high probability setups. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other traders who might benefit. I will be posting more tutorials and live trade example with Fractal Analytica Plus indicator, so make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye!